This is the moment the Dreamliner truly awakens.
Deep within the assembly plant, the Dreamliner's complex systems are brought online.
The scale of the Dreamliner project is immense.
The construction of the 787 is a marvel of modern engineering. These fuselage sections, these aren't just fuselage barrels. They are complex structures of woven carbon fiber, stronger and lighter than traditional aluminum. The assembly of the 787 Dreamliner demands absolute precision. Every fuselage section is meticulously scanned for quality assurance.
Inside the massive Boeing facility, the 787 fuselage takes shape. Robotic arms
Hedrons. The Dreamliner's fuselage is revolutionary, utilizing advanced carbon fiber composites that are both.
Using advanced laser guidance and powerful cranes, the teams meticulously join the carbon fiber sections.
Here in the massive assembly plant, engineers oversee the delicate process of joining the carbon fiber sections.
Inside the massive assembly plant, these automated systems work tirelessly, securing each titanium fastener with the bolts.
The Dreamliner's carbon fiber fuselage requires meticulous inspection. Technicians utilize advanced scanning equipment.
Building the Dreamliner requires meticulous attention to detail. Here, the margin for error is non-existent. The 787 Dreamliner utilizes advanced automation, with robots capable of drilling thousands of precision holes simultaneously.
The Dreamliner's strength relies on the precise union of these advanced composites, a testament to modern engineering.
Here at the Boeing facility, quality control is paramount. This fastener, for example, is magnified 30 times before approval.
Every inch of the Dreamliner must pass rigorous inspection.
This section here, it's showing micro fractures near the rivet line.
It edges, spanning the length of the factory floor. The Dreamliner comes. It is a testament to the seamless integration of.
The fuselage of the 787 is constructed from revolutionary carbon fiber, requiring meticulous assembly by skilled technicians. The Dreamliner's nervous system requires absolute precision. Technicians must carefully route miles of cable through the narrowest of spaces. In this massive facility, precision is paramount. Every wire bundle is color-coded and secured to ensure.
The integration of real-time data with digital blueprints is critical for the 787's complex wiring systems. Now begins the critical system validation. The 787's revolutionary composite fuselage undergoes its first major stress test. The 787 Dreamliner's wings are a marvel of modern engineering, crafted from advanced composite materials right here in the factory.
Inside the massive assembly plant, the 787 Dreamliner takes shape. Advanced robotic system.
The 787 Dreamliner utilizes advanced carbon fiber composites, visible here in the intricate structure of the wing spars and ribs.
Using sophisticated laser guidance, these massive wing sections are slowly maneuvered into the main assembly jig.
The assembly of the 787 Dreamliner requires synchronization. Here, the massive wing section is maneuvered.
The wing-to-body join is perhaps the most critical stage of the 787 assembly. Here, the carbon fiber wing.
Precision is paramount. These critical wing bolts, secured by specialized torque tools, are the backbone of the 787's advanced structure.
To ensure the structural integrity of the 787, every component undergoes rigorous stress testing, visualized here in the factory.
Utilizing global illumination and physically accurate data, the team assesses the structural limits. The slightest anomaly in the green to red gradient cannot be overlooked.
Inside the massive 787 factory, precision is paramount. When the diagnostic data turns green, it's.
Here in the final assembly bay, the massive GEnx engine is carefully aligned with the wing's pylon structure, a critical step before rollout. Suspended by these massive cranes, the GEnx engine destined for the 787 Dreamliner represents the pinnacle of aerospace manufacturing.
The engine mounting points are where the sheer power of the Dreamliner meets the lightweight efficiency of the carbon fiber wing.
The construction of the 787 Dreamliner demands absolute focus. Here, amidst the sophisticated machinery.
The Rolls-Royce Trent engine, a marvel of modern engineering, is carefully maneuvered into position.
This is the heart of the Dreamliner, a testament to modern engineering. The cockpit section is carefully lowered into the main fuselage.
The flight control computers are the brain of the Dreamliner, processing millions of data points every second.
This is the moment the Dreamliner truly awakens. The first power-up of the flight systems is a critical milestone in the assembly process.
Deep within the assembly plant, the Dreamliner's complex systems are brought online, a crucial step before the fuselage sections can be joined.
The scale of the Dreamliner project is immense. When the gantry momentarily pauses, engineers
Beneath the carbon fiber fuselage, engineers meticulously assemble the landing gear, ensuring every bolt meets the precise specifications.
Lowering the main gear of the Dreamliner requires synchronization between the crane operator and the ground crew. The hydraulic locking mechanism of the 787 Dreamliner engages with absolute precision, a critical step in securing the fuselage panels. The teams initiate the hydraulic pressure sequence, applying thousands of pounds of force to the wings, a critical step before rollout.
With the gauges confirmed within limits, the structural integrity of the fuselage is assured, clearing the way for final assembly.
The exterior inspection of the 787 Dreamliner is a critical phase. Under these bright industrial lights, technicians
Here on the assembly line, every inch of the fuselage undergoes meticulous inspection before it can join the flight line.
The carbon fiber fuselage requires meticulous inspection. This microscopic scan reveals the integrity of the
Every section of the Dreamliner undergoes rigorous inspection. Here, the engineer gives final approval for the fuselage joint. Inside this massive assembly plant, the Dreamliner takes shape, a testament to precision engineering and global cooperation.
Inside the massive assembly plant, the cabin for the 787 Dreamliner begins to take shape.
The sheer scale of the 787 fuselage dominates the landscape of this facility, a silent giant awaiting completion. Inside this massive facility, the 787 Dreamliner takes shape. Every joint.
The integration tests are the final hurdle. Here, the 787's complex systems are brought online.
In this massive assembly plant, the next generation Dreamliner takes shape.
Testing for occlurences. The final walk-around inspection of the 787 Dreamliner is a critical step, ensuring every detail meets. The massive doors retract, revealing the sheer scale of the 787 assembly, a testament to modern engineering.
The 787 Dreamliner represents a leap forward in aviation technology, utilizing advanced carbon
derivatives. After months of meticulous assembly, the Boeing 787 Dreamliner stands nearly complete, poised for its.
The 787 Dreamliner represents the pinnacle of modern aerospace engineering, utilizing advanced composites for unparalleled efficiency.